Hello, fellow marketers. Welcome back to Directive R&D. It's really fun to be back. We were on a little bit of a hiatus as we were in the lab cooking up a bunch of different experiments, and we can't wait to share with you all of our new findings and new techniques to help you grow your SaaS business. But today's topic is I wanted to share a fun metric we like to use to measure our market penetration within our TAM. We, in the past 12 months, have built a TAM of 3,900 accounts that we really wanted to go after, and we tiered them. And inside Salesforce, there's a field across all of those accounts within that object that has account tier labeled. As we've uploaded these accounts into Salesforce, we're able to see which opportunities have this field filled in and what tier they are. And we're able to see which opportunities match up to that field. Based on that, we can see how many opportunities from this TAM that we've created, and we use a metric of seeing how many opportunities were created from that named account list to see our penetration, how many of those accounts have we had sales actions with or sales interactions with. So gonna dive in and kind of show you the inside of it. This is Salesforce, which is the commonly used CRM. And from here, we build an opportunity report to track down within the last 12 months, how many of our target accounts have we opened an opportunity with. For us, within the last 12 months, we've seen about 1,300, about 35% market penetration within this TAM. And for us, we track down every quarter or every single month how many more of these named accounts can we open new opportunities with. And that's a measure of success and market penetration for us to see if we can get complete market share. You can do the same if you're tracking specific stages like close one to see how many from this tiered account list that you have. I won't share that one, but yeah, just wanted to share with you kind of how we like to look at this when we're measuring our total market penetration or sales interactions within our TAM. A cool KPI, especially if you're running some ABM type of campaigns and strategies for you to measure and share with other stakeholders how much market share you've taken up. Quick one, but wanted to introduce this idea as we're redoing our TAM, expanding it, making it more granular. And in our upcoming episodes, we'll kind of break down how we're tiering our accounts, how we're building our TAM, how we're making sure that first-party data from our end is clean and implemented and integrated in a lot of our systems. So that was a mouthful. Really excited to be back, and please let me know if you have any questions about this. That was a cool little preview in terms of how we like to report on some things in the lab. Well, that's it for this one, and I'll check you out in the next one. Thank you.